Hey guys, this is Kadrian from KadrianThomas.com, bringing you the best tips, tools, and ideas to help you improve your saxophone playing as a beginner saxophonist. Now, how do you hold your saxophone the correct way? So first of all, once you've had your neck strap connected, then your left hand is going to hold the top of the saxophone while your right hand is positioned at the bottom. So first of all, you want to rest your left thumb on this rest here, because the left thumb is going to control your octave key around here. So you rest your left thumb there, that's for the left hand, and then these fingers are going to control these keys. So first of all, your first index finger is going to be operating the pearl, this first pearl, your middle finger on the second pearl. I want to avoid this bis key, this B flat bis key for a moment. So first finger, then your middle finger goes on the second pearl, and your ring finger goes on the third pearl. Then your pinky finger is going to be operating this stack of keys right here. Now your right hand, you're going to position your right thumb on this hook, because it's what you're going to use to help you hold the saxophone in place. And your first index finger is going to go on your first pearl, your middle finger on the second pearl, and your right ring finger on the third pearl, and then your pinky finger is going to operate these stack of keys right here. So to hold the saxophone in place, if you were sitting like this, you can hold your saxophone in the center of how you're sitting and you play like this, or you can hold it to the side. You don't want to hold your saxophone on your body like this, no. So you hold it off your body and you position the sax like this, or position it like this sideways. Now, one thing that you want to note is how your hands are positioned on the saxophone. So you don't want to be bending your left hand like that, or your right hand. You don't want to be twisting like that, because if you're doing that, then you're not going to be able to flex your fingers while you're playing. So make a C with your left hand. So I make a C like this, and that's the position that you should have when you're holding the keys on the saxophone. Similarly with the right hand, and notice that my wrist is straight, so I'm not bending my wrist like that, because if I do, then later on I'll get carpal tunnel and I won't be able to play as effectively. Neither will you be able to move your fingers fluidly as you would have wanted. So ensure that your wrist is straight, you are in a relaxed position, and your hands are in a C shape, or just imagine that you were holding a cup and you release the cup from your hand while leaving that shape. So this is how you hold your saxophone. Now, to bring it to you, you don't want to go to the saxophone like this. No, you want to bring the saxophone, so you adjust your neck strap with the slider until it reaches a position where the saxophone is in the right place. So see, the sax comes to me and it's resting right on my bottom lip, and I'm properly positioned. So that is how you hold your saxophone in the correct position. Do remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.